This is going on YouTube, I hope you know. Yes.
That's fine. Whatever. What do I say?
I'm surprised she... Is she camera shy, or...?
Yeah, sure, I guess. I don't even know that well. I just know that she lives in a cave, and burns paint animal blood on the walls, right? That's about it.
Any words, Car Kitty?
That's pretty much it.
I'm surprised she hasn't glommed Car Cat, honestly.
Well, we're a little out of it today.
He won't. He's sturdier than he looks, trust me.
But we haven't actually been eating much recently, so we're a bit low on energy.
Well, Subway's actually really good.
Is it?
Yes.
Well, we ate there last time that we did eat. I liked it.
Yeah.
Reasonable prices, I guess, and whatever this nasty human money is.
It's probably the cheapest thing here.
Oh, lovely morph suit.
Another morph suit, great.
Just what everyone wants to see.
Did you guys pre-registered or?
Badge. I'm just here.
So, have you guys registered yet, or you two registered yet?
What, for this place?
Yeah.
No, we ain't registered. We don't need to. This is the gaming room and the dealing room, and I don't have enough money to spend on that shit, and we don't have it to play games. We're just getting
to get into the room, you have to be registered. Sorry.
Yeah.
They won't even put a Prince of Hope above the rules.
Whatever.
Oh, by the way, I think you'd find this interesting, but there is a God-tier version of you running around.
Yeah, I actually met him. He's kind of a douche. I mean, I'm not willing to speak, of course, but he's pretty friendly, I guess. You know.
He already gave me lip, so it doesn't really matter.
He gave you a lip already?
Yeah.
It's expected. It's irritating.
You two might want to register so you can get into the gaming room and dealer rooms, honestly.
Well, I mean, we haven't really needed to, so into the Homestuck room, I guess, we could do that, but for the meetup, it's not anywhere special.
True. I love the fact you're doing a Durst streamer. That is so cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I can't move my face very well, so...
Acrylic paint?
Yeah, it's PAX. So it's acrylic paint plus PAX.
Oh.
Yeah, so if I smile, I look really scared.
Yeah. We used eyeshadow.
There's a lot of eyeshadow.
Not actually, like one small layer. Wow. Yes, glitter all over him.
There's Sparkle Cat.
Wow. That's what you were saying earlier when we were just saying you want to fight with Edward Cullen, honestly.
Whatever.
It is your prize.
Very true.
Yeah.
I do that sometimes too, but it's usually for animals.
Yeah. I wonder what's going on over there.
No clue.
We'll have to ask. See, you guys are at the photo shoot.
Sure, count on it.
Okay, now...